Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and it's giving you an error E1 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So I have a little bit of good news and a little bit of bad news. The bad news is this is not an issue with an easy workaround, with an easy solution. The good news is there might be some workarounds we can do. So basically the E1 error is the thermistor, basically it's a heating issue. The washing machine is not able to heat the water properly, or at least to detect the water being heated properly. And so this is not localized to any one spot. It might be the wiring going to something. It might be the thermistor itself that's burnt out that needs to be replaced. But a couple of things that you can do. First of all, just as a workaround, while you're waiting to get it fixed, you should be able to run your washing machine on cold cycles. So if you call to get it fixed, you can run it on cold cycles until you get the heating fixed. The second thing you can do is there is a possibility that this might just be an electronic fault that the system is detecting and it just needs a hard restart to get working. So if that's the case, all you need to do to hard restart it is to turn it off and then disconnect it from power completely. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. And once you do that, you leave it off for a full minute. You can restore power to it and turn it back on and try to do a cycle and see if that doesn't remove the error. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.